Which of the following organelles is involved in photorespiration? Correct answer is option B, peroxisome. Okazaki fragments are formed during. Correct answer is option C, lagging strand synthesis. Which of the following enzyme is required for DNA ligation? Correct answer is option B, DNA ligase. Which genetic disorder is caused by a trisomy of chromosome 21? Correct answer is option B, Down syndrome. In prokaryotes, the site of transcription is. Correct answer is option A, cytoplasm. Which phase of mitosis is characterized by chromosome alignment at the center? Correct answer is option D, metaphase. The term genotype refers to. Correct answer is option B, genetic constitution. Which organelle contains cristae? Correct answer is option C, mitochondria. How many ATP molecules are produced by complete aerobic respiration of one glucose molecule? Correct answer is option C, 38. Which hormone regulates the sodium and potassium levels in the body? Correct answer is option C, aldosterone. Which part of the nephron is responsible for filtration of blood? Correct answer is option C, Bowman's capsule. Which vitamin is essential for calcium absorption in the intestine? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? Correct answer is option A, optic nerve. The hormone responsible for milk ejection is. Correct answer is option C, oxytocin. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Correct answer is option D, insulin production. The longest part of the gastrointestinal tract is. Correct answer is option C, small intestine. Myelin sheath in the central nervous system is produced by. Correct answer is option C, oligodendrocytes. Which layer of the skin contains blood vessels and nerves? Correct answer is option B, dermis. The corpus luteum secretes. Correct answer is option C, both estrogen and progesterone. Which part of the brain controls respiration? Correct answer is option C, medulla oblongata. Which of the following is a secondary sex organ in males? Correct answer is option C, seminal vesicle. Ovulation is triggered by a surge in. Correct answer is option B, LH. Sertoli cells are found in. Correct answer is option C, seminiferous tubules. Which vitamin is synthesized in the skin using sunlight? Correct answer is option C, vitamin D. Which of the following bones is part of the axial skeleton? Correct answer is option C, skull. The hormone HCG is produced by. Correct answer is option C, placenta. Which type of immunity is acquired after an infection? Correct answer is option A, active natural. Which cell is responsible for antibody production? Correct answer is option C, plasma cells. The first line of defense in the immune system is. Correct answer is option B, skin and mucous membranes. The causative agent of tuberculosis is. Correct answer is option A, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Which type of hypersensitivity is anaphylaxis? Correct answer is option A, type 1. Which is the most abundant immunoglobulin in the body? Correct answer is option B. Which microorganism is used in alcohol fermentation? Correct answer is option B. Which of the following is not a viral disease? Correct answer is option C, typhoid. Antibiotics are ineffective against. Correct answer is option B, virus. Which of the following enzymes is responsible for the digestion of proteins in the stomach? Correct answer is option C, pepsin. The primary function of insulin is to. Correct answer is option B, decreased blood sugar. In the electron transport chain, oxygen serves as the final. Correct answer is option C, electron acceptor. Which of the following is a characteristic of malignant tumors? Correct answer is option C, invasive and metastatic. Which of the following is the major function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Correct answer is option B, lipid synthesis. Which of the following conditions is characterized by the destruction of red blood cells? Correct answer is option C, hemolysis. Which of the following is a function of the lymphatic system? Correct answer is option C, removal of interstitial fluids. Which of the following amino acids is essential for humans? Correct answer is option D, valine. What is the normal range of respiratory rate in adult? Correct answer is option B, 12 to 20. In myocardial infarction, which enzyme increase first? Correct answer is option D. Which drug is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, tetracycline. Which of the following is a side effect of steroid therapy? Correct answer is option C, hyperglycemia. Which condition is known as blue baby syndrome? Correct answer is option B, tetralogy of Fallot. Which type of shock is characterized by warm extremities and bounding pulses? Correct answer is option C, distributive, which is a common side effect of antipsychotic drugs. Correct answer is option B, extrapyramidal symptoms.